Hello class, I'm Ernie and this is my mission report on the moon. This picture I took through my Meade telescope, putting my iPhone to the eyepiece and snapping a picture and filtering it through Photoshop to get these non-natural moon colors. So this is what I get to see in my backyard occasionally. The formation of the moon, according to the giant impact hypothesis, which happened 4.5 billion years ago, two worlds collided, Terra and Theia. From their debris began the formation of our beautiful natural satellite, giving it a 300-mile diameter solid iron core, a outer liquid core, a solid mantle, almost 900 miles thick, and a crust that varies in thickness. This image shows us the near side with its thin crust and the far side having a thicker crust. The near side got a thicker crust by being cooked early on by the Earth. Which brings us to the surface. The moon's surface has two regions, highlands and maria. The highlands are heavily cratered with some older than 4 billion years, which is when the surface was hit with a heavy bombardment. The craters that are set in maria are younger by a billion years. This is because of the new ground created by lava floods. It is why the maria is darker and smoother, darker because it's mostly basaltic material. This image shows us the Copernicus crater, which is almost 60 miles in diameter. The image is called the Young Moon Rocks. The fascinating thing about the moon I found was that it is inching away from us at the rate of 1 inch per year. So in 63,360 years, the moon will be a mile further from the Earth. So I wonder what will come first, the sun going red giant or the moon colliding with Mars and making a whole other moon and bringing all kind of sources to Mars. Maybe we'll get an Earth 2, Moon 2. I wonder. But my thoughts on us returning to the moon, yes, we should. We should go back, set up camp, bring some 3D printers, build a community, set up some telescopes, and look further out into the universe. Thank you, class.